Oral collagen supplements. So I've been wanting to talk about this topic for a really long time because I'm getting patients every day in my OPD who ask me whether they should be starting oral collagen supplements and what exactly is the benefit of taking them, or what are they missing out if they're not taking them. Hi, I'm Dr. Kriti Jain. I'm a dermatologist and a hair transplant surgeon and the founder of Kiara Clinic. And today we're talking about everything that we need to know about oral collagen supplements. To begin with, collagens are basically peptide molecules which are present in our skin and body, and they basically hold our skin together. They give the tightness and the youth appearance that we are looking for in the skin. But what happens as we age is that these collagen molecules are probably broken down and digested, and the capacity of the body to make new collagen reduces as we age, which is why we feel that maybe taking oral supplements will help us retain them. And the benefits of having collagen in the body is obviously great. That is why we want to add them in every way possible, be it diet or even supplementation. But do we really have studies which back this? Definitely we do. We have a few reviews and meta-analysis, particularly the one which was done in 2021 and then the one in 23, which talk about the benefits of oral collagen supplements. And it was not like they had to be taken for a really long time. For patients who took even for a very small period, had some benefits. Now, the confusion earlier was that once the collagen supplement is taken orally and is digested into the stomach, it is broken down into small peptides. So what we take in as collagen peptides does not reach our skin in the form that it should. But that is not what is happening. What's happening is that when we take oral collagen supplements, the peptides that are formed, they actually stimulate and trigger production of natural collagen, and they also help in reducing the breakage of the collagen which is already present in the body. Hence, anyway, doubling the benefits of the supplement that we are taking. So it pretty much solves the purpose of taking that supplement. The second problem that was there was that all the collagen supplements up until now were not vegetarian, or they were mostly animal derived, mostly marine derived collagens. But now we have a few brands coming up, especially available in India also, which are plant derived collagens. They have the composition which is exactly similar to marine collagen and have similar benefits to offer. So if you are not comfortable with taking an animal sourced collagen, I'm sure you can find products which will suit you and will be available from a vegetarian source. Coming on to the duration for which one should take collagen, yes, the longer durations have more benefits to offer, like 2 to 3 months or even longer. But in the studies that we spoke about earlier, it was seen that even people who took collagen for say 4 weeks or 6 weeks also had a better quality of skin. So collagen supplements are definitely something that one should be adding in their diet. When is the right age to start this? So it is somewhere in mid-20s to 30s, because that is when the production of collagen goes down or the breakage increases. So we need to add another supplement or a dietary intake which improves the natural collagen in the body and helps us maintain that youthful appearance and skin tightness which we want. Not just on the face or skin, it has benefits in terms of hair growth and nail growth also. So we can definitely think of the other aspects which collagen can benefit us in. So if you found this video useful, please share it with your friends and family, those who are skin enthusiasts and would like to add oral collagen in their diet. Please press the bell icon for future notifications.